happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to my second annual 12 Days of Swatchmas series. This is day 3 of the 12 Days of Swatchmas. I do have a dedicated playlist for last year's series as well as all the videos I've uploaded this year up to this point. I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. Let's hop into the gel polishes I'm going to be swatching today. I have two collections. I have two collections from Madam Glam. One's going to be the Magnetic Love collection and the second one's going to be the Blossom Glow collection. So if y'all want to see how those look swatched out, stay tuned. All right, so this here is the Magnetic Love collection from Madam Glam. Okay, so it looks like this collection has 4 creams and 4 cat eye polishes. And it looks like all the cat eyes kind of have like a corresponding gel with them. Something like this. Yeah, I think they all have corresponding gels with them. So let's go ahead and get them swatched out. Okay, so the first color we have here is Cupid's Kiss. Ooh, it's a really beautiful kind of a muted, well, let me say muted. Yeah, it is muted. It's a really beautiful muted pink color here. Very nice. Blue Passion. Ooh, really gorgeous baby blue color. Oh, I love that. Super cute. Sweetheart. Really cute and pretty dainty pink color. So pretty. Juliet's Vow. This is definitely giving Romeo and Juliet. I think this was their Valentine's Day collection. Ooh, another beautiful pink color here. This one is a little bit more of a lively pink than that other one. Still isn't super vibrant, but a really, really beautiful neutral pink color. Love's Abyss. Ooh, y'all look at that glitter. She is cute. We're gonna get a little closer. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. I love that. And it's supposed to be cat eye. It says it's soak off cat eye polish, so I can't wait to activate that. So pretty. Icy Touch. Ooh, another really beautiful blue. Look at that. Ooh, y'all, these cat eyes are gonna be gorgeous. Moonlit Romance. Oh wow, this is a really beautiful light pink glitter slash cat eye. I mean, these colors are going to look good on their own as well as with the cat eye activated. And last but not least is Sparkly Hearts. Super cute. It looks pretty similar to the other one though, but really beautiful pink color. Let's look at these two side by side. Okay, no, they are different. The one on the left has more pink undertones, and this one has more purpley undertones to it. So they are slightly different there. But yeah, let's get the swatcher. Cupid's Kiss. Super cute. Yeah, these go on nice and smooth. It's a really pretty pink. I like it. Blue Passion. Sweetheart. Juliet's Vow. Super cute. Love's Abyss. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that color. Gorgeous. And it says it's cat eye, y'all. So let's see if we can activate this cat eye. I have my jumbo magnet here. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. bringing it to life for sure. Yeah, you can see them moving. Ooh, pretty. But y'all know me, I like to do a standard cat eye, just so that when I'm swatching, I know what's cat eye and what's not. So I'm gonna go in with my regular cat eye. All right, so I'm gonna give it another coat here. And then I'm gonna go in with my standard cat eye situation. But this here as a glitter on its own looks absolutely gorgeous. I love that. All right, so I'm gonna activate the cat eye like so. Y'all can see that little cat eye shift there. Super cute. Icy touch. Really cute. Definitely giving Christmas vibes for sure. I like that. That's that cat eye. Moonlit Romance. Very pretty. Yeah, that's cute. Wow. Sparkly hearts. That's really pretty. It's like a magenta pink, actually. Or like a fuchsia or like magenta with really beautiful glitters in it. It's hard to believe this like is a cat eye polish. But it definitely is. Y'all can see the shift. Alrighty, so this is what the Magnetic Love collection looks like swatched out. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to start off with the creams and show you all those magnetic glitters as well. So the first color here is Cupid's Kiss, which is just really beautiful. Muted Deep Pink. Blue Passion, which is this really beautiful light sky blue or baby blue color. Sweetheart, which looks kind of like the name. This really cute, sweet, dainty, light pink color. Juliet's Vow, which is this really beautiful, kind of like a true pink color. It's a lot softer than that first color here. I'm gonna put these two side by side. That's Cupid's Kiss. This here is Cupid's Kiss, and this here is Juliet's Vow. I thought they looked pretty similar when I was swatching, but definitely side by side you can see the differences. Love's Abyss, which is this really beautiful cat eye. You all can really see that cat eye effect there. And even just swatched as a regular glitter, this color is absolutely gorgeous. And I think this one would pair really well with Juliet's Vow. I think that would be a really good kind of pairing there. Also, with Sweetheart, I think that would be a really good way to kind of like make that collection pop. And then also definitely Cupid's Kiss. I think that would be a good combo there for a nail set. So these are really pretty. Icy Touch, which is this really gorgeous like icy blue color. It really does look like the name Icy Touch. It looks like an icy blue. It's very gorgeous. I love the glitters in here. I love the cat eye effect. I can't wait to use this in a set. And obviously Blue Passion would be the absolute perfect color to do a set with, like if you need like a combo with this, like these two just look so good together. Moonlit Romance, which is this really beautiful light pink glitter, but it also has those cat eye pieces in it. Very gorgeous. I think that would pair really well with Sweetheart. I mean, these two together in the set would just be so gorgeous, okay? Sparkly Hearts, which is just really gorgeous. Just like a magenta, kind of like a fuchsia pink color. Definitely seeing these two together. Cupid's Kiss goes really nicely with the Sparkly Hearts. And then also Juliet's Vow, I think would be a good pairing here. So yeah, absolutely love this collection. It's gorgeous. Y'all absolutely love this collection. It is gorgeous. Definitely perfect for like, you know, Valentine's Day and such, especially given the names. But let's hop into the next collection, Blossom Glow. The next collection we have here is Blossom Glow, and it comes with a series of satin polishes as well as creams. Alright, so it has 4 satin colors and 4 cream colors. These are some really beautiful, bright and vibrant colors. Looks like they'd be perfect for the springtime. So let's take a closer look at each one. The first color we have here is Mother's Muse. Oh wow, this is a really beautiful, gorgeous purple. Pastel purple, and it has that nice rounded brush. This is gorgeous. Infinite Love. Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness. This is a gorgeous, vibrant orange color. It's like an electric orange. Oh my gosh. This is really beautiful. I can't wait to get these swatched out, y'all. Wow. Pink Elegance. Oh, super cute, perfect peach color. Wow. This is like the perfect peach. Like if you're looking for a good peach, this looks like it would be it. I was on a search for a little while for a good peach color, and I think I just found it. That is gorgeous. Neon Beauty. Wow. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I think this even has like some glitters in it almost. Yeah, it looks like it has some super fine glitters to it, or maybe even more of like a satin finish. I'm not sure. Not sure, like a pearlescent effect to it, so to speak. This is a gorgeous neon green color. Absolutely beautiful. Lilac Moments. Oh, beautiful pearly lavender color. My goodness, y'all, this collection is gorgeous. Wow. Moms and Mimosas. I know that's right. Can never go wrong with that. Ooh, this is a really beautiful. I don't know why, but this is like reminding me of like egg yolk, but a really beautiful orange, like a light pastel orange pearly color. Very beautiful. Perfect Affection. Oof, really beautiful aqua blue, pearly aqua blue color. Yeah, this collection is so pretty. And again, all these brushes have that rounded tip to them. Very gorgeous. And then last but not least, we have a Silky Kiss. How beautiful is that name? Absolutely gorgeous. Soft pink color with some purple undertones to it. And it's also that pearly satin finish. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get these swatched out. I'm excited for this collection. Mother's Muse. So cute, y'all. I love this purple. I like wearing this shade of purple, sometimes even lighter, on my toes. I just think it looks so cute. Infinite Love. Y'all, look at this. This orange is like blinding me in real life. Like, I don't know if this camera is picking it up, but it is absolutely stunning. Wow. It's so bright, so vibrant, and so pigmented. It's like an electric orange. I love this color. Might be my favorite from the collection. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Pink Elegance. How cute. Like I said, this is like a really beautiful peachy color. And I'm loving these brushes, y'all. It gets right up in that cuticle area. But this color is gorge. It's like the perfect peach color to me. I love this. Neon Beauty. Oh my goodness. This one's just as gorgeous as the other one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that orange and the green together in the set would be crazy. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Love this. Gorgeous. Lilac Moments. I feel like the formula of these pearlies are a little bit thicker than the creams were. Still really pretty nonetheless. Look at that. Super pretty. And I'm gonna activate that pearl side. And I like to just swirl it around in circles to activate the pearl. Like so. Really pretty. Silky Kiss. Another gorgeous pink pearly color. Super pretty. Moms and Mimosas. Super cute. Pure Affection. Really gorgeous blue here. Wow, I like this. Alrighty, so this is what the Blossom Glow collection looks like. I am a huge fan of this collection. It's really beautiful, and it's really like diverse in regards to like the pastels and the creams, and then the effects that the different polishes have. I'm really loving this one. But yeah, let's take closer looks at each one. We got Mother's Muse, which is a really beautiful lavender purple cream color. Neon Beauty, which is this gorgeous electric neon green, and I love that it has like a kind of like a pearlescent effect to it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but there's like a slight sheen to it, which is really pretty. Infinite Love, which is this gorgeous electric orange color. I mean, it's just so vibrant and so beautiful. Pink Elegance, which is this really beautiful peach color. Absolutely love this one as well. We have Lilac Moments, which is that pearly color. This here shows what the pearl would look like activated. Then the right side shows how it would look if you just applied it as is, but really gorgeous purple color. And then obviously these two would pair really well together for a set. Silky Kiss, which is this really beautiful light pink pearly color. On this side, that's what it would look like with the pearl activated, and this side is what it would look like just applied as is. I think this color here would be a cool combination. It doesn't quite go all the way, but I could see myself getting away with doing a set with these two colors. Moms and Mimosas. Absolutely love the name of this polish, but also love the color. It's a really beautiful light orange, really light pastel orange, but it has that pearly effect here, and then that's what it would look like applied as is. And then last but not least is this really beautiful aqua blue color. And on this side, that's what it looks like with the pearl activated. I really like the pearl activation on this one. It kind of looks like waves in the ocean, like waves in water. Really pretty. And then that's what it would look like applied as is. So yeah, y'all, this is what these two collections are looking like side by side. They're absolutely beautiful. These colors would be really good for like the spring and fall time. So again, this here is the Blossom Glow collection, and this up top is the Magnetic Love collection. And so yeah, I do have a discount code with Madam Glam in case you guys want to get your hands on any of these gorgeous polishes. I'm going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. Shout out to Madam Glam for sending these products over for review. They are gorgeous. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going to be uploading day 4 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas series. Again, I am going to be uploading a video every day up until Christmas. And so yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'll be swatching some more gel polishes, and again, I do have a dedicated playlist. I'll also leave that link down below. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you, and as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.